Sizzle to win. There is no right or wrong way to cook a Spam. You can grill it, you can boil it, hell, you can even nuke it. That was just a joke. Please do not try to nuke a Spam. But do stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let me show you how to make this delicious meal by frying a chorizo Spam with broccoli on a Blackstone Griddle. What I have tonight is 2 cans of Spam, chorizo seasoning. Right, I have baby broccoli. I have green onions. I have black pepper for seasoning, salt, garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, cornstarch, and chicken broth. Alright, let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cornstarch on there. Okay. My goal with this cornstarch is once I start adding the soy sauce to it, I want that soy sauce to start to thicken up. We're going to start off with just warming up the Spam. Let's go with broccoli. Soften up the broccoli with some chicken broth. The first seasoning we're going to put is sesame oil. The first dry seasoning is going to be salt. Then black pepper. And a little bit of garlic salt. And we're adding our last ingredient, which is green onions. We are actually done. It was a pleasure showing you how to griddle a chorizo Spam with broccoli. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button below so you could join us for more delicious meal on our Blackstone Griddle. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.